back to the bunny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we disable this color inversion setting in our Poco phone. Friends, we want to disable this setting guys, and guys you don't know how to disable this color setting in our Poco phone. So don't worry guys, you can disable this setting guys. We call it color inversion mode setting. And friends, now let's see how to disable color inversion mode. First of all guys, you will have to on your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Hence you can see this type of setting. Then guys again scroll and click on your additional setting guys, tap here. Again scroll guys, you can see your accessibility setting guys, tap here. Guys click on this second option, vision setting. Again scroll, color inversion guys, tap here guys. So you will have to click on guys this icon, then guys tap here to disable the setting. Then guys this setting will disable guys. You can use your phone guys without this color setting guys. You can see guys everything is fine in your phone guys. Now guys you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.